In the world of gaming, having every advantage possible could mean the difference between victory and defeat. While the folks over on the Xbox side have had their arsenal enhanced by the Xbox Elite controllers, the PlayStation Nation had always needed to depend on third-party solutions. Well, that time is over now that the DualSense Edge is upon us. The first ever high-performance, ultra-customizable controller developed by Sony, its aim is to provide the edge in gameplay by inviting players to craft their own unique gaming experience tailored to their playstyle. It might look like a spruced up DualSense controller, but this technological marvel packs plenty in both its hardware and software options. Right out the box, players will get the DualSense Edge wireless controller, a USB braided cable, 3 sets of caps for the analog sticks, 2 sets of back buttons, the connector housing, and of course, that sleek carrying case that even allows charging while keeping your new toy safe. In terms of customizability, the DualSense Edge lives up to its promise of bespoke adjustments for any playstyle. The 3 swappable stick caps deliver the right comfort with excellent grip and stability, be it the standard, high dome, or low dome options, and can be easily changed for every situation. Need additional inputs that are easily accessible? Tack on those back buttons and configure their inputs, so your fingers never have to get messy. The trigger's travel distance and dead zones can also be adjusted to your liking as well, going from full presses to hair triggers, so players can enjoy faster inputs in competitive FPS games, enjoy a reduction of the dead zone for precise throttle control in racing games. And the DualSense Edge retains all of the awesome bells and whistles that makes it more original predecessor such a big hit. And with the braided cable and connector housing, you're never gonna worry about battery or losing your connection at the most demanding of moments. As for the worrisome issue of stick drift, this bad boy has the capacity for replaceable stick modules, which will be extremely helpful in prolonging its longevity. Next up, we're gonna be talking about the software options that make the DualSense Edge such a marvel. But before that, here's some cool stuff from our friends over at MSI. This video is brought to you by MSI. Meet the Summit E16 Flip, featuring the latest 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, RTX 30 series graphics, and a 16-inch QHD+ touchscreen panel with a 360-degree hinge. Better yet, it lets you unleash maximum productivity with up to 11 hours of battery life at just 2 kilograms. The Summit E16 Flip offers unprecedented performance and functionality, allowing you to work and play anywhere, anytime. On the software side of things, there's much to look forward to as well. The aforementioned remapping and deactivating of button inputs can come in handy for those requiring a certain setup, while your aim can be further fine-tuned by adjusting stick sensitivity and dead zones. Vibration intensity is also another option that can be changed to suit your liking. Once these ideal settings have been found, players can then save them to unique profiles and make every title more convenient to play with. The dedicated function buttons found below the sticks can make it easy to swap between profiles, happening in just seconds. Adjusting your game volume and chat balance is easy, or you can access the controller profile settings for rapid adjustments at any time. There is zero doubt that the DualSense Edge is the top tier option when it comes to gaming on the PlayStation 5, but the question of whether it is worth it truly depends on your needs. The added buttons are always nice for those looking for more convenient or faster inputs, while the travel distance adjustments will make a big difference in shooters. Add to that the robust software customization and how easy it is to actually switch its components around, and this makes the DualSense Edge a truly game-changing accessory for the PlayStation 5. However, for its price point, it is a hefty investment for most of the general audience that is enjoying their console experience. Unless you are truly devoted to the type of games that will benefit from its customizability or find added use for all the other features, this might just be a costlier DualSense controller that just so happened to have a lower battery life. This is a want more than a need. But for anyone looking to invest in hundreds of hours of intense gaming on the PlayStation 5, the DualSense Edge certainly makes sense if you are looking for the, pardon the pun, edge against your opponents and whatever challenges that lies ahead. It is exciting that the PlayStation community now has an elevated controller experience available. Just be ready to pay the price for such innovations. If you've had any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll do my best to get to them. Follow us on our socials and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It goes a long way, and if you want to see more of our stuff, check this out.